Hello everyone, good evening. Thank you once again for joining us. If you are first time to this channel, here is M&S Beauty Concepts, the channel you can beautify your beautification process.
I waited for, you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you,
Thank you once again for joining. I'm so happy to be here again. We have evening. I want to use my face mask. It just come to my mind to share this wonderful recipe with M&S family, with YouTube lovers all over the world. Thank you once again for joining us. Here is M&S Beauty Concept YouTube channel. Our channel is all about beauty. We make tutorials for wigs, makeup tutorial, different kind of look. If you have any look in your mind that you are really pressing to know how to achieve it, put it on the comment section. The tutorial will be done for you. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my face mask. This face mask, I've started using it now for over 6 months and it's very active. My face are free from acne and you don't even need to go far to get the mask or something like that. The mask is made from your kitchen recipe, what you use to cook, what you see every day, what you can easily lay your hands on. In my other video, I'll put the link up there. I share also how you can use your kitchen recipe as your face cleanser, as eyelashes glue remover, and lots more are coming. If this is what you want to be seeing, this is what you love to see, why not hit the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so that YouTube will be notifying you anytime we upload a new video, anytime we are premiering a video, anytime we are on live stream. I want to go to bed now after a long day, stressed. This mask, I use it once in a week. Like I said before, I've been using it now for over 6 months. The result was wonderful. The result is wonderful. I was positively surprised. I didn't even know that kitchen recipe can do such wonders. So in the recipe, we need just 2 things, just 2 recipes from your kitchen. This is what we will be using to make this face mask. I advise that you should do every evening before going to bed, like I'm doing now. So after mixing the recipe together, you apply it to your face, then you can wash your face, clean your face, and you go to bed. When you wake up the next morning, oh my god, you look 10 or 20, even 15 years younger. You won't believe the results of the thing. It has worked well for me. That's the main reason I decided to share it with my family on YouTube. So guys, let's do it. So like I was saying, so in the recipe we need honey and cinnamon. How many people know cinnamon? Cinnamon is a special spices that you can use when you are baking, you can use to cook, you can add it to your breakfast series, you can use it as anything. It's just your kitchen spices. Is very good. And the cinnamon is a spice obtained from the inner bank of several trees. Spices from the genus of cinnamon. That is the name of the family tree that they get these spices from. And another thing, according to research, cinnamon is it has a lot of health benefits as well, and it also had lots of benefits when used as a beauty product. Cinnamon have the ability to fight bacteria and reduce inflammation, which are two factors that can trigger acne or the other skin impurity. You know, when you have this natural thing that can help you to fight that. When you don't have acne on your face, you don't have pimples, you don't have any inflammation thing that will result to boil or that will result to black spot. So what else do you need? Cinnamon is very so let's this is 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of honey, and one teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm using the powder, so 1 teaspoon of cinnamon you put inside. I took my concealer brush, can be washed later. You mix properly. You make sure that the powder is well mixed with the honey. So if you don't have this type of brush that I'm using now, you can as well use your hand. So it now is well mixed. Cinnamon and honey, they have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help and fight to reduce and fight acne, you know, and inflammation. Inflammation is what really would trigger spots in the skin and all this. So just 2 things. Now the application will start. Like I said before, if you don't have this type of brush, you can as well use your hand, or you can use any other. Oh my god, when you are rubbing it on your face, the coolness. So you know how to apply your mask. You make sure it's not going into your eyes. Yeah. You rub your T-zone. Oh my god, can't believe. Just try it. If you have used it before, please share your experience with me also on the comment section. I'll be using it now as my weekly face mask. I do in the evenings, preferably. I do in the evening once a week. I'm so satisfied with the results. Now I finish rubbing. So I'm going to leave it on for like 10 to 20 minutes. 20 to 20, you know, even when a drop going to your mouth is from your kitchen. So there is no chemical, everything pure, natural. So now I'm going to leave it for 10 to 20 minutes. Afterwards, then I'll wash with warm water, not hot water, like the temperature of water that you can bathe with without hurting yourself. Not hot water, warm water. If you are the type that takes shower with cold water, is also fine. So I will take it off, then I will see you guys then. You see, so working. So you let it dry. So guys, my face has been washed. I my face has been washed. If you've not tried this beauty tip before, try it and you'll be glad you did, because the result, it works for me like a magic. Just imagine somebody going to bed like this. When you wake up the next morning, like I said before, you'll be like 10 years, 15 years, 20 years younger than your age. So this I do weekly, once in a week. You can check your schedule. You can be doing evenings preferably, because I do evening after having a long day. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you've learned something from this mask recipe. Give it a try and put it on the comment section. If you've used cinnamon before for other purposes, put it on the comment section. Let's interact about cinnamon. It's very good. The smell, the benefits, everything is worth trying. Once again, I like to say thank you guys so much for always coming back, for always staying here, for always. Thank you guys so much. You are all appreciated. I see you again on my next video, Wednesday 6 p.m. Central Europe time. Don't miss that. For now, bye. Stay safe, stay protected. I love you. Bye bye.